How to use S Pen to take a picture or take a selfie on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First of all, remove the S Pen on your Samsung S24 Ultra. To access the camera using S Pen, long press the S Pen button and it will open the camera on your device like this. To take a picture or a photo, just press the S Pen button once to take a picture like this on your device. Now it will take the picture on your device. To switch between the selfie mode, double press the S Pen button on your camera. Here we double press this and it will switch between the selfie mode. To take picture again, tap the S Pen button once. So it's quite easy to take a picture or a selfie using the S Pen button on your Samsung S24 Ultra. To get back the main mode, again double tap and you can see the camera mode, photo mode on your Samsung S24 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.